Hello everyone, this video is about a speech on nature. I have also provided a handwritten essay on nature, so you can watch both speech as well as essay. Let's start with the video. Good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. I am here today to speak a few words about nature. Nature is the beautiful world that surrounds us. It includes trees, fragrant flowers, blue skies, rivers, fish, animals, butterflies, sun, moon, colorful rainbows, and many more things. Even we humans are part of the nature. Nature is beautifully crafted by God and gifted to all of us living on earth. Mother Nature always nurtures us. It provides fruits and vegetables to nourish our body. It provides water to hydrate our body. Oxygen and sunlight in the nature are also essential for life on earth. It is seen that people who live close to nature live a healthier life. Hence, generally, villagers are found to be healthier and happier as compared to those who live in cities. Unfortunately, we humans are polluting the nature by use of plastic, CO2 emissions, deforestation, etc. This is leading to a negative impact on the nature. Mother Nature nourishes us and protects us from lot of harms. We must also take steps like planting trees, stopping pollution and keeping our surroundings clean. Such steps will help Mother Nature to breathe again and rejuvenate. If we protect nature today, Mother Nature will continue protecting us in the future. With this, I end my speech. Thank you everyone for listening to me so patiently. Thanks for watching.